Childhood is a growing period of life. Don't put your children in an environment of stress and anger, which affect their mental health too. Spend a good time with them to satisfy their mind and feeling.
Teach new games and skill to your children, which not only improve their physical health, but it is also very effective for the growth of the mental health.
Give yourself a me time by listening to uplifting music. Keep enjoying yourself with good techno and metal music.
Activate body's natural relaxation response by doing deep breathing, yoga, meditation. This can help to improve a person's mental well-being, creates mental clarity and calmness, relieves from chronic stress, also centers attention and sharpens concentration. Along with this, one can do mindfulness exercises. It makes you more aware of your postures at all the times. Exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude.
Keep active yourself by learning new skills like dance, zumba, etc. All such activities helps to relax and calm your mind.
Gardening requires lots of water, most of it in the form of perspiration. It increases overall life satisfaction and quality of life. It can reduce depression and can even fight against stress.
It always seems impossible until it's alone. So put something of yourself into your work with soul, creativity, and love, as art is the highest form of hope.
Counseling is a very good option to get rid of depression. But during lockdown, it's difficult to go out. Just switch to telecounseling. There are more than thousands of psychiatrists and counselors available virtually for your help.
We love ourselves in books. We find ourselves there too. It's that connection we can't explain.
Lockdown depression. It's quite common but not normal. In this global COVID-19 pandemic, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by hopelessness and despair. But these symptoms can deal with focusing on own strength and being optimistic.